Getting on a Spotify editorial playlist can seriously level up your music career. These playlists are curated by Spotify's in house team, and getting featured can bring thousands of new listeners, but it's not random, there's a process. First, you need to pitch your unreleased song through Spotify for artists at least 7 days before it drops. When you fill out the pitch form, be specific genre, mood, instruments, and anything unique about the track. That info helps editors match it to the right playlist. Your artist profile matters too. Make sure it's updated with a bio, photos, and links to your social media. A professional look helps build trust with curators. Then promote your release. The more buzz you generate, pre-saves, playlist ads, and engagement, the better your shot at getting noticed. If you don't land on an editorial spot right away, strong performance on algorithmic playlists like a release radar can lead to bigger things. So keep releasing, keep pushing, and stay consistent. If this helped, well, hit subscribe and drop a comment if you have tried pitching before or plan to. More tips are coming soon.